Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about prompts. So in Python, we can prompt user to enter some information and we create a place to hold the information and then we can use this in the future. So for example, we are going to ask the user to enter their favorite color. So we can create this place, a variable, we call it color, equals. Here for prompts, we have to use a keyword, it's called input, because we ask user to put in some information. So then we write the message, please enter your favorite color. So let's assume user is going to type in a color. So this variable color is going to hold user input and we can use it in the future. So what we're going to do is let's print the user input on the screen. So we'll just go print color. Let's run it. So please enter your favorite color. So my favorite color is pink. And then I press enter. See, pink is printed on the screen. To make it look better, what I can do is I can put print wow. Then color, sorry, is my favorite color too. Let's see what's going to happen now. Please enter your favorite color. So green. I changed my favorite color now. And it says, wow, green is my favorite color too. Now can you try this one? Prompt the user to enter his or her favorite singer and display the following message to the screen. Wow, I love, then you put singer's name, too.